Hello students, today we are going to discuss worksheet 4, chapter number 11, that is perimeter and area. So in this worksheet we will discuss about area of triangle. Area of triangle is always the half of area of parallelogram. Area of triangle is always the half of area of parallelogram. That is 1 upon 2 into area of parallelogram, that is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2 into base into height. How we can show that it is half of area of parallelogram? So we know that these two triangles are congruent because in parallelogram this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side, and it is the common. So we can say that by SS congruency rule these two triangles are congruent. AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD, and AC is common. So by SSS rule these two triangles are congruent. When triangles are congruent, they have same area. It means area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle ADC, and the sum of the area of these two triangles ABC and ADC or CDA is equal to area of this whole parallelogram ABCD, that is this one. We know that these are equal from equation 1. Area of ABC is equal to area of CDA. So in place of CDA we can write there ABC. So therefore area of ABC plus area of ABC is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. So this area becomes 2 times area of triangle ABC is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. Now this 2 is there in multiplication. When it goes towards right, it goes in the division. So it is 1 upon 2 into the area of parallelogram, that is ABCD. Therefore area of triangle is always equal to the half of area of parallelogram, that is base into height. From this formula we can also derive the formula of base of triangle. So base of triangle is equal to 2 multiplied here and h divided by this area. So it becomes 2 times area of triangle upon height or altitude of the triangle. Similarly the altitude of triangle or height of triangle, this is the third formula, is equal to 2 times area of triangle upon the base of the triangle. Now by using these formulas we will solve the exercise question. Question number 1 is there. In this question there is given area of triangle is equal to 90 centimeter square. Area of triangle is equal to 90 centimeter square, and if its base that is given, it is given equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find the length of altitude. There is given base of this triangle is there 15 centimeter, area of triangle is equal to 90 centimeter square. So we know that area of is there equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height, and base is there 15. So in place of base we can write there 15. Therefore the value of h becomes 2 is there in division, it goes in multiplication, and 15 is there in multiplication with h, so it goes in the division on the right hand side. 15 6 are 90, so 6 into 2, that is 12 centimeter. Therefore the value of h is equal to, that is the altitude is equal to 12 centimeter. Now the next question, next part is there. In this part there is given, it is also same, we have to find the length of its base, but in this case the area of triangle that is given 0.48 decimeter square, it is given in decimeter square, and the altitude is given in centimeter, that is 8 centimeter. In this case we have to make the unit same, means 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter square is equal to 10 into 10, that is 100 centimeter square. So therefore area of triangle that is 0.48 meter decimeter square, that is equal to, in fraction form it is 48 upon 100 decimeter square, and 1 decimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. So therefore it becomes 48 upon 100 into 100 centimeter square. When we cancel 100 by 100, so we get 48 centimeter square. Therefore, area of this triangle 1 upon 2 into base into height becomes equal to 48 centimeter square. Now the units are same. It is in centimeter square and it is in centimeter. We have to find the value of b, that is base. So 1 upon 2 into b as it is into 8, that is the altitude is given. Therefore base is equal to 2 goes in multiplication and 8 goes in division. So it is equal to 8 6 are 48, so 6 2 is 12. Therefore the base of this triangle is equal to 12 centimeter. Now the next question is there. Question number 3. In this question there is given find the area of right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is given, that is 13 centimeter, and one of the side is given 5 centimeter. Let us suppose that the one side is their base of this triangle, and hypotenuse is there 13 centimeter, it is given. The hypotenuse is the longest side of this triangle, right angle triangle, which is opposite to this angle 90 degree. In this case, firstly we will find the perpendicular height, because the area of triangle is equal to base 1 upon 2 into base into height, but height is not given. So using Pythagoras theorem we can find the height. The Pythagoras theorem we know that we have studied in chapter number 8, that is triangle and its properties. What is that? That is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is their 13 square, perpendicular is their height, that is h square, and base is their 5 square is their 25. Then 13 square is their 169. We will take constant term on left hand side. 169 minus 25 is equal to h square. So therefore h square becomes equal to 148 and 144. 169 minus 25, that is 144, and it is the square of 12. So therefore square we can cancel there. The value of h becomes 12 centimeter. So therefore in this case the perpendicular height is there 12 centimeter. Now the area of right angle triangle becomes 1 upon 2 into base into height, and base is there 5 centimeter and height is there 12 centimeter. Now we can cancel 12 by 2, that is 6 to the 12, and it becomes 30 centimeter square. So therefore area of this triangle is equal to 30 centimeter square. After this, question number 4. Question number 4 is there, find the area of an isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle is that in which two sides are equal and one angle is there 90 degree. Having each equal side is given, that is 15 centimeter. We know that an isosceles right angle triangle has two sides are equal and one angle is equal to 90 degree as it is. So in this case base means two sides are equal, but hypotenuse is always the longest side. So it means base and altitudes are equal in this triangle, and which are given, that is 15 centimeter each. Here each equal sides of isosceles right angle triangle is given, that is 15 centimeter. It means base is equal to height, both are equal to 15 centimeter. Therefore area of isosceles right angle triangle is same as the area of triangle, that is 1 upon 2 into base into height. The base is there 15 and height is also 15. 1 upon 2 into 15, that is equal to 225 upon 2, and which is equal to 112.5 centimeter square. The unit of area is always square unit. Question number 5 is same as it is. You have to do by self. Now question number 6 is there. It is lengthy question, and in this question there is given the base of triangular field is 3 times its height. We haven't given x, base as well as height. But cost is given. If the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 36 per hectare means 10,000 meter square, is equal to 486. That is the total cost is also given. We have to find its base and height. So let us, we have drawn a triangular field having height is there x meter. So therefore base that is given 3 times of this height altitude, which is equal to 3x meter. So in this case, let the height of this triangular field is equal to x meter. So therefore base of this triangular field is equal to 3x meter, and area of this triangular field that is equal to the area of triangle 1 upon 2 into base into height, which is equal to half into base 3x and height is there x, and it is equal to 3 upon 2 into x square meter square. It is in meter square. Now the cost is there given in hectare. The cost of cultivating 1 hectare area, that is rupees 36. Therefore the cost of 10,000 meter, 1 hectare means 10,000 hectare, that is equal to rupees 36. Now we have to find the cost of this area. So firstly we will find the cost for unit area, means 1 meter square area, that is equal to 36 upon 10,000. So therefore cost of cultivation of total area that we have find it, that is 3 upon 2 x square is equal to, we have to multiply it by this area, 36 upon 10,000 into 3 upon 2 into x square. Now 2 we can cancel with 36 as 36 upon 10,000 into 3 upon 2 x square. 18 2 is a 36. So it is 18 3 is a 54. 54 upon 10,000 x square. It is calculation work, but it is the cost of total cost of cultivating this triangular field. But according to question, total cost is also given, that is 486. So we will compare this cost with this, and to find the value of x, that is rupees 54 upon 10,000 x square is equal to rupees 486. Now we have to find the value of area, that is x square. So how we can find, or base into height? So we will take this constant term on the right hand side. 486 into 10,000 goes in multiplication and 54 in division. 54 9s are 486, that then it becomes 9 into 10,000, that is 90,000. 90,000, and 90,000 is the square of 300. 300 into 300, that is 90,000. So square we can cancel on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Therefore the value of x is equal to 300 meter, and we have supposed that is height of the triangular field, that is x, it becomes equal to 300 meter. Therefore base is equal to 3 into x, that is 3 into 100, it is 900 meter square. In this way we have to do this question number 6. Now 7th question is there. In the given figure, and these dimensions are given, st is there 5 cm and qr is there 9 cm. The area of larger triangle PQR, it is the larger triangle. Total area is given, that is 50 cm square. What is the area of shaded region? Shaded region is this one. We have to find the area of this region. So what we are doing, we will there is given the area of total area, that is PQR, it is given 50 centimeter square. We will find the area of this smaller triangle and subtract from this total area. So we will get the answer, that is the area of this shaded portion. The area of larger triangle PQR is given, that is 50 centimeter square. Now area of smaller triangle, so what is base here, it is 9 centimeter and height is there st, that is 5 centimeter. So therefore area of this triangle becomes 1 upon 2 into base into height, that is 1 upon 2 into 9 into 5. It is equal to 45 upon 2. When we will cancel, it is 22.5 centimeter square. Therefore area of shaded portion, a region, that is total area of this triangle, that is PQR, minus area of triangle QSR. It is the smaller triangle having area is equal to 22.5 centimeter square. So when we will subtract it, we will get 27.5 centimeter square. That is the area of shaded region. Now the next question is related to the previous exercise, that is area of rhombus. So we know that when diagonals are given, then area of rhombus is always equal to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. So in this case there is given area of rhombus is there 98 meter square. If one of the diagonal is 14 meter, units are same, we have to find the length of the other diagonal, means second diagonal. It is a rhombus having one diagonal is there d1 and d2 is the second diagonal, and d1 is given, that is 14 centimeter, but d2 is not given. We have to find this by comparing with area. So let us suppose that it is equal to d2 as it is. Therefore area of rhombus is equal to 98 meter square, which is 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2 is equal to 98. Therefore d1 is there 14 meter. The value of d2 becomes 98 into 2 goes in multiplication and 14 goes in division on the right hand side. So 14 7 is 98 and 7 2 is 14 meter. Therefore the length of second diagonal is there 14 meter. In question number 9, both the diagonal are given. We have to find the area of rhombus. So how we can find? Using this formula we can find that. So this question you have to do by yourself. The question number 10, last question, 10th question of this exercise is there. In this question the second formula of rhombus is there. In this case there is given the find the area of rhombus having side is given, that is 13 centimeter, and altitude is given 2 centimeter. Side means base is given. So in this case we will use the second formula, that is equal to the area of parallelogram. So in this case base of rhombus is there 13 centimeter, that is the side, and altitude is given 2 centimeter, which is the height. Therefore area of rhombus is equal to base into height, which is equal to 13 into 2, that is 26 centimeter square. So these are the questions of this exercise that we have done today. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.